Hey friends, how are you doing? I hope you are fine. Today will be English competition. I'm sure that you will answer all my questions. The first, guess the theme of our competition. Here you see a nice picture. So, what is the theme of our competition? Yes, you're right. Train your brain. So, now we will train our brain. I hope you are ready. Let's get started. Pronounce correctly. So let's check. British,
schedule, schedule,
and American,
schedule, schedule,
pronounce correctly.
gesture, gesture,
Pronounce correctly.
species, species,
Pronounce correctly. Hurricane or hurricane? Hurricane or hurricane? So here you see, write these words correctly. For example, here you see biology transcription, and you should write biology. So, write the correct variants of these transcription words. Canoeing, generous, equipment, pollution. So here you see the correct variants of these words. Yeah? Write in your copybook, please. Spelling bee. So, survive, survive. Spell, spell. In oral form, U-R-V-I-V-E. You are right. Next word, charity. Please spell in oral form. C-H-A-R-I-T-Y. C-H-A-R-I-T-Y. Good job. Rubbish. Rubbish. Spell R-U-B-B-I-S-H. You did it. Biography. Biography. B-I-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Biography. So students, here you see geography, English, biology, chemistry, ICT, physics tasks. They are hidden under these squares. So you'll choose one square. For example, 100 for geography. So students, the first task is, where is the capital of the USA situated? Show on the map. Here on the left, Washington, or here on the right, Washington, D.C. Which one is the capital of the USA? Washington, D.C. or Washington? Let's check. So here you see it's written with red color. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States of America. And here you see what? Here you see red sign. So it is the capital of the USA. Now let's choose English 100. Who wrote Harry Potter? Check the answer. Joanne Rowling. Yeah, she wrote Harry Potter. Here you see her biography and about Harry Potter book. Now let's choose ICT Physics 400. What are they? What are they? This one, this one, this one, this one. Check the answers. So monitor, speakers, headphone, keyboard. Let's choose Biology Chemistry 200. Read these chemical elements. Read these chemical elements. Check the answer. Calcium and magnesium. Calcium, magnesium. Let's choose Geography 300. What is the capital of the United Kingdom of Great Britain, Australia and Canada? Guess the capitals of 3 countries. The capital of the UK is London. The capital of Australia is Canberra. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. Let's choose Biology Chemistry 300. What organs are they? Lungs, kidneys, liver, ICT Physics 200. Who were they? Who were they? Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity. Stephen Paul Jobs was an American inventor, designer, and entrepreneur who was the co-founder, chief executive, and chairman of Apple Computer. Apple's revolutionary products, which include the iPod, iPhone, and the iPad, are now seen as dictating the evolution of modern technology. Let's choose English 200. So, who is the authors of these poems? To be or not to be, that is the question. Please read. And the second poem. My heart's in the highlands, my heart is not here. My heart's in the highlands, a-chasing the deer. Please read them and guess the authors of these poems. Check the answer. To be or not to be by William Shakespeare. My Heart's in the Highlands by Robert Burns. Biology, Chemistry 400. So here's C, 4 words in Kazakh language, so you should translate them into English. Temir, күміс, сутегі, оттегі. In English, they are iron, silver, hydrogen, oxygen. Iron, темір, silver, күміс, hydrogen, сутегі, oxygen, оттегі. Geography 200. Where are Scotland and Wales situated? Show on the map. Where are Scotland and Wales situated? Show on the map. So where are they situated? So Scotland is situated here, you see, and Wales. Nice work. Biology, Chemistry 100. What is biology? What is biology? Biology is the science of life. Its name is derived from the Greek words bios, life, and logos, study. Biology is a natural science that studies life and living organisms, including their physical structure, chemical processes, molecular interactions, physiological mechanisms, development, and evolution. English 400. Task 1. Read these abbreviations correctly. Task 2. What do these abbreviations mean? Etc. Used at the end of a list to indicate that further similar items are included. In Kazakh language, тағы басқа и так далее in Russian language. This one, for example. This one. Versus. Қарама-қарсы. Салыстырғанда. I invite you to my birthday tonight. I invite you to my birthday tonight. ICT Physics 100. Who invented the light bulb? Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb. ICT Physics 300. Translate from Kazakh language to English. Uzunluk, salmak, ғылым. Length, uzunluk. Weight, salmak. Science, ғылым. English 300. Where are mistakes? Where are mistakes? The child is read books every day. My father didn't bought me an ice cream. I'm happy when he said excellent. Find mistakes. The child reads books every day. So reads. My father didn't buy me an ice cream. Buy, not bought. Buy. I was happy when he said excellent. Was, not am. I was happy, not I am happy when he said excellent, but I was happy when he said excellent. And the last, geography 400. What countries border Kazakhstan? Name 4 countries. Kazakhstan shares borders with Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, China, and Russia. Dear learners, it's time to give me feedback. Leave your comments. Let's learn English together. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Watch my other videos. Today you were very active, so good job. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next lesson.